Driveway cleaning. Halesowen. Are you tired of looking at a dull, stained driveway? Ready to see a remarkable transformation right at your doorstep? Professional driveway cleaning will bring life back to your driveway, making it look as good as new. Our skilled team are your go-to experts for all driveway surfaces. Whether it's tarmac, block paving, or concrete, we've got the magic touch that your driveway needs. The first step is always a thorough inspection. We understand the unique needs of each surface and tailor our approach accordingly. It's not just the advanced equipment or the eco-friendly cleaning solutions. It's the precision and care we put into every square inch of your driveway. It's not just cleaning, it's restoring your property's charm and enhancing its curb appeal. The difference is night and day. So, why wait? Remember, it's not just a driveway, it's the gateway to your home or business. For more information on our local driveway cleaning services, contact us today on 07480802264.